walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from...
Hello, it is me, Sam, from Sam's Vlog Trains and More, and yes, I'm back reviewing my face. And joining me in this video for the first time in a while so I can get some views is my mum.
Hi guys and girls.
I don't think many girls watch my videos, you know. Apparently 75% of the audience is men. But we're making chocolate orange cookies, and this is kind of freestyle, so we're just guessing. So if it goes wrong, it'll make a nice clickbaity title like it did over Vlogmas when I made those failed gingerbread men. And we'll show you the finished product, and I'll record my mum making it whilst I just stand there and watch. Yeah?
I think so.
Right, my mum is currently bashing up the chocolate orange. By the way, we're not sponsored by Terry's Chocolate Orange. I wish it was, but we're not. We've got the butter as well, and then in a minute we're gonna add the sugar and the caster the flour and the caster sugar. Now she is pouring the sugar into the bowl. And yeah, ignore the fact that it's a Christmas bowl, guys. We don't give a crap.
And the caster sugar.
Right, tell the viewers what you're doing, Mum.
I'm creaming together the butter and caster sugar.
As you can see, she is currently adding the flour to the ingredients, followed by the fine dark cocoa powder by Dr. Orta. Is that how you pronounce it?
I'm not sure actually. Comment below if you know how to pronounce this.
Dr. Orta. I don't know. People don't comment much stuff when I ask them to comment. Apart from that Christmas one, I told them what my favourite film was. Lots of people commented.
I'm now rubbing
she's now rubbing the ingredients together.
Yeah, the flour into the butter.
In the bowl. Whilst I grease...
To form a dough.
Yeah, to form a dough. Whilst I grease the tray with the rest of the pack of this butter. There we go. Now, hopefully, the cookies won't stick to the bottom of the tray when they're in the oven. Now you can do it.
And next, I've added all the chopped up chocolate orange to the dough, and we're going to shape it into cookies.
And put on the tray. Now with a hand. Right.
Jump.
Now she's put the cookie, like the chocolate orange pieces into the cookie. But we've decided though, we're just gonna make a big cookie, and then I'm gonna chop it up with a knife after, for dessert.
Yeah, to have with some ice cream.
Yeah, to have some ice cream, which we've got in the freezer.
Just trying to make sure.
Right, roughly you have to cook the cookies for about 10 or so minutes in the oven, and what degrees do we have to do it on?
I can't remember, what did you say?
Oh, probably about 200 degrees. I'm not sure, because we've got an electric oven, so I'm not sure how many degrees you put on. If you had a gas, if I had a gas oven or a fan assisted oven. Probably you'd probably have to Google yourself. So just Google some BBC good food recipes. Right, I don't think I can. That's better. Right, here's the finished product of the cookie. We did kind of slightly burn it around the edges, but mostly it's alright. Much better than the gingerbread disaster, so I don't need a clickbaity title in there to get me views, even though it didn't even get me that many views anyway. But there we are. There's the finished product. Looks really, really cool. Right, it's actually a few days on. It's actually the day I'm editing the video, and the cookies were really, really, really nice. I'm not sure if I got a picture. If I did, I would have included it before this clip. But anyway, I forgot to film an outro, so I thought I'd do it now. If you did enjoy baking with baking cookies with my mum video, feel free to drop me a nice big thumbs up on there. Come on, smash the like button. Comment down below if you want to see my mum in future videos, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and help me reach 750 subscribers. Peace out, guys. Bye.
Above the sky, we are heroes tonight.